Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you what is wallet budget expense tracker. So you can see you can download or install this application from Google Play Store or App Store. So you can see the rating of the app 4.8 out of 5 and 299k reviews. It means 299 of thousands people write something about this app. A 24 megabyte size of the app, and here you can see 5 million plus people already download this app. Okay, so if you really want to know how it works, then you can see wallet. So like easily track spending, so you can track how much money you spend in your day to daily life, and like how much money you spend in your food and drinks, shopping, housing, transportation, vehicle, and life and entertainment. So you can set here, you can see the nature of spending, and you can see all the data. It's really good user interface, and you can set the goal, like how much money you will spend in a month or in a year. You can set, and then you can utilize according to that things. You don't memorize, you don't need to any visual paper. It's just available in your phone, and you can connect your credit card, avoid overspending. So it's really amazing app, and if you really want to know more about this app, then go here and read something here, the main feature. And the app is released 2011. Until then it's really going on very well. I will upload more video how to use this application in upcoming tutorial. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching.